What if your next coworker didn't drink coffee, didn't sleep, and could handle 100 tasks at once without breaking a sweat? From writing emails to analyzing markets, AI agents are entering the workforce, not as tools, but as collaborators. So, the question is, are AI agents replacing us or working with us? Let's dig in. First, let's define what we're talking about. AI agents aren't just chatbots or voice assistants anymore. They're autonomous software systems that can perceive, plan, and act, often across complex digital environments. Imagine an AI that books your meetings, prioritizes emails, drafts proposals, runs analytics, and even coordinates with your team. That's not science fiction anymore. That's already happening with tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, Devin by Cognition, and more. These agents combine large language models with task execution systems and memory, allowing them to go beyond simple prompts into goal-based automation. The workforce has always adapted to new tools. In the industrial era, we replaced muscle with machines. In the digital era, we replaced filing cabinets with spreadsheets. Now, in the intelligence era, we're seeing decision-making and communication being delegated to AI. Unlike previous waves of automation, AI agents aren't replacing repetitive tasks alone. They're stepping into knowledge work, customer service, project management, financial planning, coding. The line between human role and AI capability is blurring faster than ever. So where are AI agents already being used? Let's look at some real examples. In startups, small teams are using AI agents to manage customer support, schedule content, and even run operations, cutting time spent on administrative work by over 50%. In software development, tools like Devin by Cognition can autonomously code, debug, and deploy software, acting almost like a junior developer on your team. In marketing, AI agents plan campaigns, generate ideas, draft social posts, and monitor performance. In personal productivity, agents like Rewind or Personal AI are becoming digital memory banks, summarizing meetings, retrieving information, and proactively helping you stay on top of tasks. But with all this progress comes the big question. If AI agents are capable of doing more and more, where do humans fit in? Are they here to replace the workforce or free us up for more creative, strategic thinking? That's what we'll explore next, including the ethics, the economics, and how to prepare for a future where AI is your colleague. AI agents are more than just tech upgrades. They're a shift in economic strategy. Let's talk cost. Employees need salaries, benefits, onboarding. An AI agent? One-time or subscription cost scales instantly. For small businesses, it levels the playing field. A 2-person team can operate like a 10-person team. For large enterprises, it's about optimizing margins, reducing risk. But here's the catch. Productivity goes up. Traditional roles might get squeezed. We often ask, will AI take our jobs? Better question, how will our jobs change? We're entering a hybrid era where the most valuable pros work with AI. Think of it like this: a marketer using AI for campaign drafts, a developer reviewing AI-generated code, a researcher using AI to comb through data sets in minutes. The skill set of the future isn't just technical, it's about orchestration. Humans define goals, AI does the heavy lifting. But this transition doesn't come without challenges. Millions of workers are at risk of displacement. That's why reskilling and education are crucial. Jobs won't disappear entirely, they'll evolve. We'll need AI trainers, prompt engineers, ethics consultants. Governments, companies, schools must prepare the workforce. If we don't move fast enough, tech will outpace us. Now, the elephant in the room: ethics. Who's responsible when AI makes a mistake? What if it hallucinates false information? How do we prevent bias, surveillance, job exploitation? AI agents reflect the data they're trained on. We need transparency, oversight, ethical frameworks. Otherwise, we risk trading efficiency for fairness. So, are AI agents the new workforce? Maybe. It's not about replacement. It's about reinvention. So how do you prepare for a future where AI agents are embedded into everyday work? The answer starts with awareness, not just about what AI can do, but how it's reshaping roles. Whether you're a student, freelancer, manager, or business owner, the time to adapt is now. Start small. Use AI tools in your daily workflow. Experiment with automation platforms. Learn to design prompts, evaluate outputs, and steer results. Just like spreadsheets didn't eliminate accountants, they changed the job. AI agents will do the same. Let's talk about the skill set of the AI-powered professional. Critical thinking, prompt engineering, creativity, data literacy, collaboration, and empathy. For businesses, the question is no longer if you'll use AI agents, but how fast you can integrate them. Automate non-essential overhead first: customer support, scheduling, lead qualification. Then layer in agents for knowledge work, market research, content planning, financial projections. Finally, train your teams to think in systems, where AI is a partner, not a black box. The businesses that thrive won't just use AI, they'll build around it. Yes, there will be disruption. Entire industries may look different in 5 years. But there's also immense opportunity to upskill the global workforce, improve productivity. The question is whether we use AI to consolidate power or distribute opportunity. So, are AI agents the new workforce? Not entirely. They're not here to replace humans. They're here to challenge how we define work. We stand at a fork in the road. One path leads to fear, stagnation, and exclusion. The other, reinvention, inclusion, and powerful new collaboration. Your move now is simple: learn, adapt, and most importantly, lead the change. Because the future isn't just automated, it's co-created.